Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Deskjet 2300 series printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. I center it. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. And in search type HP Deskjet 2300 driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer and our printer name. Open the first link. Official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name HP Deskjet 2300 all in one printer series. Okay, and here we find our printer name Windows 10 64-bit. If it is not select your operating system right or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Click on the Windows. In a version, go to the Windows 10 64-bit if 64-bit. If Windows 10 32-bit, then go to the Windows 10 32-bit operating system. I am going to the Windows 64-bit and click on the update. It's refresh your page. After that, scroll down and here we find installation software and full basic drivers support print and scan functionality only. Expand it. Here we find our printer driver. Go to here we find our printer name and go to download. Click on the download. It's redirect you to the another web page. And download is started at the top. Here we find our download is started. It's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Our download is almost completed. Now go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy and simple. Go to the zip file, right click on it. Here we find extract files. Click on extract files, click on OK. Now it is extracted files on our PC or laptop. It takes few seconds or few minutes depending on the file size of our zip file, so wait for few minutes or few seconds. Our file is extracted now. On desktop I have created one zip file or unzip folder. Double click on it, this unzip folder, and here we find our drivers. Close this. Next step is install it. That is very easy and simple. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new options are pop up on our screen. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it or minimize it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Last option, select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here, and if you find .4_001 HP port, HP printer device, anything about the HP, then select it. If you not find any HP port, then last option is USB. Select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. Select USB port and click on the next. Here we find have a disk. Click on a have a disk. Click on a browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file. All file contains same driver. Click on the open. Click on OK. Here we find two options, PCL3 and PCL3. Two options. For I select first. You can select any option. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give HP DG means Deskjet 2300 series printer. It is a series printer, and series printer include many printer including 2300 also. Click on the next. It is installing our printer and it's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds to completely and properly install this printer driver on our PC or laptop. Printer is installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finished. Next step is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name HP Deskjet, DG means Deskjet 2300 series, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.